Hey everyone, this is Madeline with Builderall, and today I want to show you how to create an ad. So you have two ways to go to your ad account, and you can click on the right hand side in the triangle on your personal account, your Facebook account, and you can go and create. You can do create ad, or you can go in the bottom, the left hand side, you click on ad. But for now, we're going to actually click create ad. And this is the area you're actually going to be working with. So once you're here, you'll see that it says Facebook ad and manager, Facebook ad, and then you go to ad manager. So this is when you start creating an ad, but what I wanted to show you guys is just this is where you actually can see all your ads, and then you can also, you'll probably see, like, because if you're brand new, you'll probably see like a create, and then you can create your ad from there. So let's just create a demo, and we'll get back to the page that we were before, and then we can basically just go through the prompts. On the left hand side, you'll see campaign objective, ad set. So we want to know what type of traffic, what's the audience we're trying to reach. The offer, if you have a lead page, you have like a checkout page, you have the audience. Some of you guys might have like an email list that you guys want to upload. The placement, where are you going to advertise this? Is it Facebook? Is it through Messenger? We also have Instagram and some other ways, and I'll show you once we get to that section. And then of course you want to be very specific on your budget and scheduling. Some businesses are open from 9 to 5. Some of them are not open in the weekends, so you want to make sure that you fill this out. And then also, and the third is ad. So you just identify your ad, the format, and then the links that you want people to actually go to. So now we're going to go through the steps. So right now we have awareness, consideration, and conversion. Pretty much if you're looking for brand awareness, you want to basically, click one of these. If you want to basically grab people's attention and you want people to do something, then you want to learn, you want to understand, is it traffic, is it engagement, is it like video views, like lead generation. So what are you actually, what's your main goal? And then conversion is it only, you just want to see how many sales have you done, and just kind of see the checkout. So that's the conversion. So for now, we're just going to stick with traffic, and then we're going to create, let's see, we'll say Facebook ad, and then we'll put demo. And then we're going to continue. And this is the second part that we were going over. So let's say we were trying to get, we're going to put Facebook ad, and then I'll put demo. And then we're going to, that traffic is going to go to our website. And then we're going to, let's see, let's say we're just going to do, we'll do 25. We're trying to reach 25 through 55. 55. We can actually put that here, 25, and this is just going to help you with your ad title convention, like your naming conventionals. Is very important, because once you have it in your list where I showed you where you create the ad, the green button, it just kind of helps you to see it right there and then what you're targeting and what's your audience. So you can put 25 to 55. You can put like Spanish, like if you're gonna reach Spanish people, and then we'll put like US, and then we'll just keep it at that. So right now we're just we're looking for people in the US, and 25 to 55. We're just gonna we're trying to attract men and women, and then we'll just put like Spanish here, or we'll just do English. We'll do English. And then we'll just switch this to English. But if you're going to work on a ad that's English, Spanish, Portuguese, you can actually have 3 ads running, and then one could be English, Spanish, and Portuguese, and then you can see which one is working the best. So that's why the naming convention is super important. Then you got the English. Then you can pretty much have interest here. So if you're looking for someone's interest, we can just do marketing at the moment. let's say we're looking for people that are looking for digital marketing, so that way we could be more specific, because marketing, it is a large industry. The connection, we wanted to people who like your page, people who like your page. We'll just put people who like your page, and then you can add a page if you're looking to attract people from other pages. This helps out. So for now, we're just gonna people that liked our page, because we're trying to attract more traffic. This is a placement. We're in a placement section. Now it automatically just puts you in an automatically placement recommended, but I want to show you basically all the features that you have. So what we want to do, we're not going to post anything on Instagram. We're not going to do anything for audio network, and then we're just going to leave the messenger. The messenger helps, just to give you a little tip, is if you're, let's say if someone interacts with you, then you're able to send them sponsor messages, but they have to interact with you in one of your messagings first, kind of giving you permission, hey, you can message me, or we're having a conversation. And we can go into another video for that as well. But for now, we're going to do, let's just take all this out, and I'm just going to do feeds for now. And then we can do all mobile devices. So, we're not excluding anything at the moment. So, and then a good way of targeting, when someone is actually on their phone, click only when connected to Wi-Fi, because if a person is connected to Wi-Fi, then they're going to be engaged on the phone. So that's a good way of attracting people. Now you go to budget and scheduling. Now you have two ways for your budget and scheduling. You have daily budget. You can say, hey, I want to spend $20 a day, and then they'll spend the $20 a day. Or you can say, I want lifetime budget, and my schedule, let's say, is going to be $100. We're going to do $100, and then you can have the start and end date. So today's the 8th, so let's say we're going to start something tomorrow, and then we're going to run it to the end of the month. So we have July 31st. So we'll have from the 9th through the end of the month, and then we want to just focus on $100. Now the way Facebook works is like, let's say you have $100 lifetime budget, and what it does is it will look at your traffic for the week from Monday through Friday. Monday through Sunday, or Saturday to Sunday, the whole week basically. And what it does is it kind of looks at the analytics and figures out what day is best. So let's say your day is Monday and Thursday. So what it's going to do the following week is actually going to take that budget and work a little bit more on those days, on Monday and Thursdays. So keep that in mind, because not every day is going to be the same. So that's the budget section. And then the link, we have a couple different ways of what we want the person to do. So they can charge you for link clicks. So once they click, they're going to charge you. They can charge you once they get to the landing page. The landing page has to be loaded. So if it hasn't, let's say the person clicks and the page doesn't load, or they get off of it, then they're not going to charge you. And of course, impressions is just if they look at it. And then they have the daily unique reach, and that delivers your ad to people up to once a day. So those are the 4 ways. I'm just going to stick with the link clicks because it's easiest, but it really depends on your strategy. So keep that in mind. And then we're just going to run ads all the time. So we just have an ad on schedule. So we'll just do that. And then you can actually, let's say you have a business and you're not open Saturday and Sunday, and you don't want anyone calling you. So you can just pretty much pick your days. But for now, we're just going to have run ad all the time. So that way we can get more traffic to the website. And that's the strategy. And then I'm just going to continue. I'm going to basically let them know which page I'm going to advertise from. And then right here, you're also able to add your Instagram account if you have it. You can pretty much do that. And then you can just kind of pick your, you can add your Instagram page. This is the format. So the format is basically you got the carousel, you got the single image, the single video, the slideshow, slideshow or the collection. The carousel, you'll have like different type of images that you got. Let's say you got 4, 5, 6 images and you want people to just scroll it, which it gives you an example here. You see 1 of 5, so you can just pretty much actually go into it. And so that's the way the carousel will look like. The single image, you're just going to have a really pretty engagement picture, and you can basically download it from your library or from the free stock image. Make sure that you create your own images. That way you don't get in trouble plagiarizing any images. But usually if you create your own is always good because you can relate with your audience a lot better. And then you got the single images, or the single videos. Make sure that your videos are up to par in the ratio. So right now it's up to 15 seconds. I know for Instagram it's 15 seconds if it's in your story and 60 seconds if it's on your feed. So for Facebook, you want to make sure that you're looking at their recommendations and their requirements, so you can actually so your ad can be accepted and approved. And then you have the slideshow, and usually this is, you can actually also pick where you want the slideshow to show up. You want it in mobile news feed, desktop news feed, Instagram feed. So, and then you can add your slideshow here. And then you have the collection. So the collections, you have like pretty much different templates that you're able to build, and you can actually, they're ready to go. So you can kind of add your content and then your call to action. But for now, we're going to just go into single image. And I'm just going to pick something that we have just so I can kind of go into it. Then you click on the image that you want and it'll show up here. Then once you have that, as you can see, we're trying to get traffic to our website. Then right here, we're going to text. So here is where you add content, and then the URL. Make sure that you're putting the URL that you want them to go to. So we're going to go to Builderall, and then I'm going to copy that. You can just copy it and paste it. Make sure that that's in there, and then you have a headline. You can add a headline, a headline that's going to basically get people's attention. So you can create Builderall. We could put like 7-day free trial. That's just an example for you guys to see. So you can see Builderall 7-day free trial, and then we can put learn more. So if we want people to learn more, then we want them to just click on that. But if we want them to download something, then that's going to show up download. So if you have like an ebook or something that your audience is going to be beneficial, that's your call of action. Or get offer, if you have like products or e-commerce, you want to make sure that you're showing the beautiful product and the benefits, and then you want to kind of get them to click on the get offer. So you have different type of call of action. Make sure that you're looking at the one that's going to be best for you. And then that's pretty much it. You got the pixel. Make sure that you can you have your pixel in there, and then you can add it to the page. So if you have a web developer or you need any help with that, you can also just kind of email us, and you can send a message on Facebook, and we can kind of go over that, or we can create a video for you guys if you want to learn more about that. But the pixel just kind of just gives you more data for Google Analytics, as well as you can see what's working and what's not working. And once you have all that information completed, you want to confirm, and you'll see it on your list. And then I'm going to turn it off because I'm not gonna use it, but you'll see it here, Facebook ad demo. And then pretty much I'm going to turn this off for now. So just turn it off. So this is where you actually will see all your ads, and you can see like the cost, the reach, the impression, and the cost, and how much you're spending on a daily basis. So this is how you create an ad in your Facebook page and within your business management account. So if you have any questions, of course, go to the Facebook page, ask the questions you might have. If you want us to do more videos, we can definitely break them up so it's not all in one. Thank you for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day. Bye.